On this episode, I'll show you how to create easy drop leaf earrings similar to the ones I saw on a young wine pourer in California wine country. The project's materials include 4 hollow silver-plated leaf charms, 2 1 1/4 inch silver-plated chain lengths, 4 silver-plated split rings, 2 silver-plated fishhook earring wires, and 4 1/4 inch acrylic beads, preferably with wider holes. Using your jewelry pliers, open a split ring and attach one of the chain links and an earring wire. String beads on wire. Open another split ring and add 2 leaves to the ring. I decided at this point that 2 beads worked better than 3. Attach the other end of the chain to the split ring and close the ring. You've now completed 1 earring. Repeat these steps for the second earring. Here are a few more examples of earrings I created with this technique. Vary the number, color, and size of beads to your taste. For this and other creative ideas, visit our website. And don't forget to like us on social media.